I am at my dad's show right now, smoking milk. Just started like 1 hour ago or something. It's like 8:32. It started at like 7. Bro, literally, bro, I am in the boys' room. The girls' room is like there where you see that door. You got like snacks, drinks. Love this thing called popcorn. It's like this. Let's get it.
There's some trouble with my father. But I'm so sorry, but